Hey, don't just watch this video, do something. Hey, don't just watch this video, do something. It's time to shift some weight off that backside and actually do something. Watching videos here on YouTube is a start, but will count for nothing unless you actually take action. You're probably thinking right now to yourself while watching this video, oh, I know that already, or that's so obvious. Okay, you know it, but have you actually done something about it? But does that mean you have got it sorted? For some of us, there's a huge gap between what we know and what we do. There's no point just watching all the YouTube videos. The world doesn't pay you for what you know. It pays you for what you do with what you know. The universe only rewards action. You have been watching other people's videos for years. You have actually been helping those people make money while doing what they love to do. But the question is, what have you done with all the information you got from watching all those videos on YouTube? I guess not much. Let's face it, to be successful, you have to do what successful people do. And successful people are highly action oriented. It's surprising how many people get bogged down with analyzing, planning, and organizing when what they actually need to do is take action. When you take action, you trigger all kinds of things that will inevitably carry you to success. You let those around you know that you are serious in your intention. People wake up and start paying attention. People with similar goals become aligned with you. You begin to learn things from your experience that can never be learned from only watching videos, listening to others, or from reading books. You begin to get feedback about how to do it better, more efficiently, and more quickly. Things that once appeared difficult begin to be easier. You begin to attract others who will support and encourage you. All manners of good things begin to flow in your direction once you begin to take action. Now, it's time to take action. Enroll in that course. Start shooting your YouTube videos. Get the necessary training. Call the travel agent. Start writing the book. Start saving for the down payment of your home club. Once you are in action, you will start learning at a much more rapid rate. Most people are familiar with the phrase ready, aim, fire. Problem is that too many people spend their whole life aiming and never firing. They're always getting ready, getting it perfect. The quickest way to hit a target is to fire. See where the bullet lands and then adjust your aim accordingly. Take action today. Remember what Abraham Lincoln said: things may come to those who wait, but only things left by those who hustle. Are you the one that hustles, or just wait? Don't wait too long. Just go for it. Take action. Thanks.
Make sure you click on the video on the screen right now and the ones in the description below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.